In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some titles to the beginning of your film or project that you are working on. And in order to do that, I need to create some space at the beginning. So to do that, I'm going to click on this tool and it's called Track Select Forward. So the shortcut for that is A. If I select on any part of the timeline, it will select all of that, the footage from there onwards. And then what we're going to do is File, New, and we're going to add some black video. Okay. We hit OK, we drag our black video in there, and as you can see it's slightly longer, so you can hover over the end and make it smaller if needed and drag it into place. So far we've got some black video as our footage begins. Now to add a new title, there are quite a few ways of doing that, but I'm going to show you a way which I find quite easy. File, New, Legacy title here, and now what happens is you hit OK. Now it's taking a black screen. Now it's reading wherever the playhead is, it's reading where it is. So if you want to see it in situ, you can drag your playhead and then it mirrors what's on the timeline. So if you want to do it there for the time being, if you want to see if the font works, I might drag it back to the black area here. You click on here. If I type the forest, I know it's quite generic, but it doesn't matter. And if I click on this tool here, I can center it immediately. So if you have the forest, and then you can select a font which is quite appropriate. So you can hover over there and switch between all of it. Now, for the sake of this film, I might. I'm not going to spend too long doing that. You can increase the size of the text here, which will mean it's not in center. You don't have to have it in the center, but that's how you do it. And you can move it wherever you want it to go. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to put it in the middle. But you have lots of different options. You can change the color, you can change the kerning. The kerning is the space between each letters as well. So if I select that, you can play around with lots of different settings. So say I'll leave it there, center it again. If I hit X here, it still appears down here in your project bin. So you put your forest title on top here on a new video track, and then you have the forest. Now because it bridges across both bits of footage, it remains there until there, but it might leave abruptly, so you might want to add some dissolves, as it was. So what I'll do is I'll put it there. I'll go to my effects panel or my effects workspace, go to my video transitions, go to cross dissolve, add the cross dissolve at the beginning. Okay, and it fades in quite nicely. The forest, and then we're going to add one at the end, so it fades out there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we can play around with how that appears. So we have a few seconds of black, the forest appears. Okay, now we can also, the footage appears quite abruptly, so I might add a cross dissolve there as well, so we get that nice. Okay, that works a lot better. I'm going to hit play. Let it fade out. So that's how you add some basic titles in Adobe Premiere.